Second example on a discrete random variable for bivariate PDFs. A bivariate PDF for the discrete random variable x and y is given as 0.2 delta x delta y plus 0.3 delta of x minus 1 into delta y plus 0.3 delta x into delta y minus 1 plus c into delta of x minus into y minus 1. What is the value of the c? So this constant c. What are the PDF for x and y? What is the fxy of xy? For x varies from 0 to 1 and y varies from 0 to 1. And what are CDFs for x and y, or x and y independent? This is the discrete PDF described in this way. First, we will determine its constant c. If it is a PDF, then we know that summation of that PDF is equal to 1. That is, the coefficient of this one is 0.2, the second one is 0.3, and this is 0.3, and a c. So 0.2 plus 0.3 is a 0.8. C is equal to 1 minus 0.8 and 0.2. That is, c is 0.2. 0.2 delta of x minus 1. This is a given PDF. In this way, we determine the c. Okay, we know that summation of the PDF is equal to 1. Based on that concept, we determine the coefficient, this constant c. Next, what are the PDF of x and y? Next, we'll go for that. Given PDF, we have a delta x, delta y, delta x minus 1, delta y, 0.3 delta x, delta y minus 1. Yeah, only fx of x, 0.2 delta x, 0.3 delta of x minus 1, 0.3 delta x, and 0.2 delta x minus 1. There are 2 delta x here and 2 delta x minus 1. 0.2, 0.3, 0.5 delta x, 0.5 delta of x minus 1. Similarly, y, delta y, 0.2 delta y, 0.3 delta y minus 1, like 0.3 delta y minus 1, 0.2 delta y minus 1. Here also we have a delta y and delta y minus 1. Hence, 0.5 delta y, 0.5 delta y minus 1. Fx of x and fy of y. Then a CDF with the range 0 to 1 and 0 to 1 part T. Now, when we observe this given PDF and this CDF also, within this is the x is equal to 0, 1 means less than 1 and y is less than 1. Its coefficient is 0.2. Yeah, that is the 0.1. Fxy of xy with a range x is between, means less than 1 in this case, it is a point. A, B, C, and D, what are fxy of x comma infinity, fxy of infinity comma y, marginal PDFs. Yeah. D, fx, this is the fxy. We already determined the fx of x, and CDF for that is what we have, 0.5 delta x, 0.5 delta x minus 1, 0.5 u of x, 0.5 u of x minus y. We already know that fx of x, PDF of this. From these two, we'll determine the CDF. And similarly for y, 0.5 u of y, 0.5 u of minus 1. In the previous slide, we have calculated. Next one is, are they independent? Now we'll take fx of x into fy of y. So this one, in the previous, fx of x is there, fy of y. These two will multiply this into this. When we multiply these two, after simplifications, we are getting this one. Anyway, this will not be equal to the given PDF. This is the one given PDF, and this will not be equal to, then therefore x and y are not independent.